Trial version.
Because AP and PB are mutually perpendicular,
Trial
what is the
version.
relation between the slope of AP and slope of PB? Suppose the slope
Trial
of AP
version.
is M1 and slope of PB is M2. Then
Trial
can't we say
version.
that M1, M2 equal to -1?
Yes, sir.
Now what is M1?
Trial version.
That is, what is the slope of AP?
Y minus y1
Trial
by x
version.
minus x1.
Correct. Y minus y1 by x minus x1. Y minus y1
Trial version.
divided by
Trial version.
x minus x1.
Trial
Similarly,
version. Trial version.
the slope of PB
Trial version. Trial
y
version.
minus y2
Trial version.
divided by
Trial version.
x minus x2.
That means it's
Trial
x
version.
minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0.
Yes,
version.
that is the equation of this circle. So this is equal to -1. From this
Trial
you can, after multiplication and simplification, you get this equation
Trial version.
that x minus x1 into x minus x2, x minus
Trial
x1
version.
into x minus x2
Trial version. Trial version.
plus y minus y1 into y minus
Trial
y2
version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
is equal to 0.
Trial version.
This is the equation of a circle having x1 y1 and x2 y2 as the
Trial
endpoints of a diameter. So if we know the endpoints of a
Trial
diameter,
version.
we can find out the equation of the circle. So now, till now, we learned three
Trial
formulas:
version.
center HK, radius R, then
Trial
center
version.
0 0, radius R, x1 y1 and x2 y2 as the
Trial version.
endpoints of a diameter. What is the equation?
Trial version. Trial version.
There's, if the center is HK and radius is
Trial
A,
version.
the equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a
Trial
square.
version.
When the center is 0 0 and the radius is A, the equation is x
Trial
square plus y
version.
square is equal to a square. Number 3 and
Trial
number 4
version.
I'll discuss later. 3, 4, 5, 6 I'll discuss later.
Trial
now.
version.
And we learned number 8.
Trial version.
A x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2, if they are the two
Trial
endpoints of a
version.
diameter, then the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x
Trial
minus
version.
x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. With these
Trial
formulas,
version.
first we'll solve few problems, elementary problems. Then I'll discuss the other formulas.
Trial version.
So the first
Trial
formula is,
version.
when centered is hk and radius r, the equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k
Trial
whole square is
version.
equal to r square. If the centered is at 0 0 and radius a, you may also take radius r, no problem.
Trial version.
Then the equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. First question. Find the equation of the
Trial
circle
version.
whose center is 1 1 and radius root 2.
Trial version.
Center 1 1, that means h is 1, k is 1, radius root 2, that is r equal to root 2. The
Trial
equation
version.
of the circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to root 2 square.
Trial version.
Simplify, you get the answer.
Trial version.
In
Trial
number
version.
2, determine the equation of the circle whose center is at 8, minus 6
Trial version.
and which passes through the point 5, minus 2. Here the radius is
Trial
not
version.
given, but the center is known and one point on the circumference is known. We can easily find out the
Trial
radius.
version.
The radius is the distance between the center and a point on the circumference. So first we find out the radius.
Trial version.
Radius is the distance between the centered 8 minus 6 and the point 5 minus 2.
Trial version.
Using distance formula, we find that the radius is 5. Once we know that the radius is
Trial
5,
version.
now the equation of the circle using the first formula is x minus h whole square
Trial
plus y
version.
minus k whole square. Here h is equal to 8, k is equal to minus 6.
Trial
So
version.
x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to r square. R is 5,
Trial version.
so 5 square. Simplify, get the answer.
Trial version. Trial version.
I hope it is okay up to this. Elementary, very easy still.
Trial version.
Let us
Trial
now
version.
consider the formula that if A, x1, y1 and
Trial
B,
version.
x2, y2 are the endpoints of a diameter, then the equation is x minus x1 into x
Trial
minus
version.
x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0.
Trial version.
Question. Find the equation of the
Trial
circle which has the points minus 2, 3 and 0,
Trial
minus
version.
1 as the opposite ends of a diameter.
Trial
Simple
version.
direct application. First point is x1, y1, second
Trial
point is
version.
x2, y2. Substitute in the formula
Trial version.
and you get the equation x minus x1 into x minus
Trial
x2, that is
version.
x plus 2 into x minus 0 plus
Trial
y minus
version.
y1 into y minus y2, that is y minus 3 into y plus
Trial
1
version.
is equal to 0.
Trial version.
Remove the brackets and simplify.
Trial version.
So I hope it is okay up to this.
Trial version. Trial version.
Now there is a circle
Trial version.
whose center is 3, 4 and it touches
Trial
the
version.
y-axis. Draw a rough sketch
Trial version.
and tell me what is the radius. The center of the
Trial
circle
version.
is at 3, 4 but it touches the y-axis. What is the radius of this circle?
Trial version. Trial version.
By drawing a rough sketch you can easily find out.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
So what is the radius?
Trial version. Trial version.
Problem?
Trial version.
So if we take the point on x-axis as 0,
Trial version.
b or something like that.
No.
Trial
Let me
version.
draw it.
Sir, is the radius 3?
Yes, very good. Radius 3.
Trial version.
Look, this is a long time.
Trial version.
1 minute.
Trial version.
Oh yes, sir, it's 3 because x coordinate here.
Trial version.
Yes.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
The center is
Trial
at
version.
3, 4.
Trial version. Trial version.
And it touches the y-axis.
Trial version.
That means this is 3. This is 4.
Trial version.
And therefore this is also 3.
Trial version.
And this is the radius. So the radius of
Trial
the circle
version.
is 3.
Trial version. Trial version.
The radius of the circle is 3 units. The equation of the circle is,
Trial version.
look, hk is 3, 4. H is 3, k is 4.
Trial version.
And radius r is 3. So x minus h whole square, that is x
Trial
minus
version.
3 whole square, plus y minus k whole square, that is y minus 4 whole square, is equal to
Trial
r
version.
square, that is 3 square. Fine?
Trial version.
Clear? Just simplify. Expand and simplify.
Trial version.
And then try this. Find the
Trial
equations
version.
in plural of the circles in plural
Trial version.
which touch both the axes and has radius 3 units.
Trial version.
Circles
Trial version.
with radius 3 units touching both the axes,
Trial version.
and there are more than one such circle.
Trial version.
Can you visualize and draw a diagram? And find
Trial
out the
version.
center. Radius we know 3. If you can find out the center, then
Trial
you can
version.
find the equation. But we want the equations because there
Trial
are
version.
more than one circles.
Trial version. 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 Trial version.
Any idea?
Trial version.
Can you give me one answer? I'm not asking for all.
Trial
Any one
version.
answer? Can you
Trial
find out the
version.
center of one such circle touching both the axes?
Trial version. Trial version.
Seems that you have difficulty in visualizing.
Trial version.
Okay.
Trial version.
Put the diagram there.
Trial version.
The centers will be at
Try-
plus minus 3, plus minus 3. See how this is happening. Show you.
Trial version. 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 Trial version.
You see there are
Trial
four
version.
circles.
Trial version.
All the circles, all
Trial
these four
version.
circles, they touch both the coordinate axis, and each one of them
Trial version.
have radius 3. The circle in the
version.
first quadrant, if the radius is 3 and it is touching both the
Trial
coordinates,
version.
the center is at 3, 3.
Trial version.
This point is 3, 3. Similarly, the center of the second circle in the second
Trial
quadrant,
version.
the circle in the second quadrant, its coordinates -3,
Trial
plus
version.
3. In the third coordinate, -3, -3.
Trial version.
As you can see in the diagram. In the fourth coordinate, the center
Trial
is at
version.
+3, -3. So what is the equation of this circle?
Trial version.
Center 3, 3, radius 3.
Trial version.
Equation
Trial
x
version.
minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square. For
Trial
the circle
version.
in the second quadrant, equation the center is at -3,
Trial
plus 3,
version.
radius 3. So the equation x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square
Trial
is equal
version.
to 3 square. For the circle touching both the axes,
Trial version.
having center in the third quadrant, center has coordinates
Trial version.
-3, -3, and radius 3. Therefore, its
Trial
equation
version.
x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square.
Trial version.
The circle in the fourth quadrant, touching both the axes,
Trial
having a
version.
radius 3, the center is at +3, -3.
Trial version.
So the equation x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square
Trial
is
version.
equal to 3 square. There are 4 answers. If you want to write these 4
version.
answers together, I have written the answer here.
Trial version.
X plus minus 3 whole square plus y plus minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square.
Trial version.
In fact, there are 4 such equations. So when you expand,
Trial
you get
version.
x square plus y square in all the cases, plus minus 6x plus minus 6y plus
Trial
9 equal to
version.
0. Any question here?
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Okay. Then if you don't have any question, go to the next one.
Trial version.
Again, you try to draw a diagram.
Tri-
Find the equations of the circles which pass through the
Trial
2
version.
points on the x-axis at distances of 4 units from the
Trial
origin
version.
and whose radius is 5 units. Find the
Trial version.
equations of the circles which pass through the points on the x-axis
Trial
at
version.
distances of 4 units from the origin and whose radius is 5
Trial
units.
version.
I'm showing you the diagram. Then you try.
Trial version.
See, I have drawn 2 such circles.
Trial
Look at the
version.
The 2 circles cut the x-axis at
Trial
2
version.
points. I marked A. At the point on the
Trial
right
version.
side, I marked it A. There is another point on the left side. I didn't mark it.
Trial version.
But this OA is 4 units. Similarly, the point on the left
Trial
side
version.
also 4 units. That means basically the circle is cutting the x-axis at
Trial
4,
version.
0 and -4, 0. There are
Trial
2 such
version.
circles. Radius 5.
Trial version.
Radius is known. The question is, how do we find out the center?
Trial version.
It is clear that the center will lie on the y-axis. Because the circle is
Trial
cutting the
version.
x-axis at 4, 0 and -4, 0
Trial
at the
version.
same distance on either side. So the center will lie on the
Trial
y-axis. Suppose the center is at 0, k.
Trial version.
Abscissa of the center is 0. We don't know the ordinate. Suppose the ordinate of the center
Trial
is
version.
K. That means OC is equal to K.
Trial version.
Can you find out K? It is given that the radius is 5.
Trial version.
So
Yes,
if I
Pythagoras
join
theorem plus minus 3.
CA, yes. If I join CA, I get CA equal to
Trial
5,
version.
OA equal to 4, OC equal to K. So using Pythagoras
Trial
theorem,
version.
K square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So you
Trial
get K is
version.
equal to plus minus 3. K square equal to
Trial
9.
version.
But don't write K equal to 3. K is equal to plus minus 3.
Trial version.
When K is equal to plus 3, you get the center at 0, 3. When
Trial
K is
version.
equal to minus 3, you get the center at 0, minus 3. So I didn't mark that point.
Trial
But there are two
version.
centers. The equation of the circle having center at 0, plus 3
Trial version.
will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square.
Trial version.
And the equation of this circle whose center is at 0, minus 3,
Trial version.
its equation x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to
Trial
5
version.
square. So the combined equation of these two circles, x square plus y plus minus 3 whole
Trial
square
version.
is equal to 5 square. Then simplify it.
Trial version.
Have you understood this? Tell me. I'll explain once again.
Trial
Okay.
version.
If there's any problem, any difficulty in understanding, then I'll explain once again.
Trial version.
See, you have to visualize, you have to draw a diagram. If you
Trial
can
version.
draw a diagram, then it will be easier to understand.
Trial version. Trial version.
Then take it down.
Trial version.
But if you have any difficulty,
Trial
feel
version.
free to ask. Don't feel shy about it. Don't hesitate.
Trial version. Trial version.
And if it is done, whatever time is left, I can take one more sum.
Trial version.
Number 7. See if you can if you can draw the diagram
Trial version.
and try to get the answer. Find the equations of the circles which touch
Trial version.
both the axes and pass through the point 2, 1.
Trial version.
Give it a try. That is, draw a diagram.
Trial version.
Again, it says that they find the equations. That means there are more than one equation.
Trial
There are more
version.
than one circle satisfying this condition. What's the condition? That it
Trial
has to
version.
touch both the axes and it has to pass through the point 2, 1.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
One thing is clear,
Trial version.
that because the circle touches both the axes and it passes through the
Trial
point
version.
2, 1, the circle lies entirely in the first quadrant.
Trial version.
Yes.
That is for sure. Now, can you draw a diagram?
Trial version.
Neither we know
Trial
the
version.
center nor the radius.
Trial version. Trial version.
But if a circle touches both the axes
Trial
Ah.
version.
and the radius is suppose r, a
Trial
circle
version.
in the first quadrant, radius r, touching both the
Trial
axes.
version.
Can you tell me what should be the coordinates of the center?
Trial version.
Then you'll get the answer.
Trial version.
A circle, radius r,
Trial version.
lies in the first quadrant, touches both the coordinate axis.
Trial version.
What are the coordinates of the center of this
Trial
circle?
version.
R comma R.
Very good, r comma r.
Trial
Then you can
version.
do it easily. So if the radius, if the center is at r comma r
Trial
and if the
version.
radius is r, what is the equation?
Trial version.
X minus R whole square plus Y minus R
Trial
whole square
version.
equal to R square.
Exactly, x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square
Trial version.
is equal to r square. Now this circle passes to the point 2 comma 1.
Trial
So,
version.
it satisfies. Substitute and tell me
Trial
what do you
X and Y as 2 1.
get. X is 2, y is 1. So are you getting a quadratic
Trial
equation in
version.
R?
Yes, sir.
Trial version.
By solving this equation, how many values of R will you get? 2.
Trial version.
2 values.
If both the values are positive, then there are 2 answers.
Trial version.
If there is one positive, one negative, then you have to reject the negative value and there will be one answer.
Trial version.
Just check if you get 2 positive answers or not. 2 positive values of R or not.
Trial
For
version.
each value of R, there will be one equation. So how to begin
Trial
with?
version.
Let the radius of the circle be R.
Trial version.
It passes through 2 comma 1 and touches both the coordinate
Trial
axis.
version.
Therefore, the
Trial
center
version.
of the circle is at R comma R.
Trial version.
Let the radius be R. It passes through 2 comma 1 and
Trial
touches both the
version.
coordinate axis. Therefore, the center is at R comma R.
Trial version.
Therefore, the equation of the circle is x
Trial
minus r
version.
whole square plus y minus r whole square is equal to r square.
Trial version.
So you get this equation.
Trial version.
Then it passes through 2 comma 1.
Trial version.
So we put x equal to 2, y equal to 1. And you get
Trial
2
version.
minus r whole square plus 1 minus r whole square is equal to r
Trial
square.
version. Trial
Expand
version.
and simplify. You get a quadratic equation r
Trial
square
version.
minus
R
6
equal to 5.
plus 5. Only r equal to 5. No other value.
5 and 1.
5 and 1, correct. R minus 1 into R minus 5
version.
equal to 0. So R is equal to either 1 or 5.
Trial version.
For each value of R, there is an equation.
Trial version.
When R is equal to 1, the equation is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole
Trial
square is
version.
equal to 1 square. Because the equation was x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole
Trial
square is equal
version.
to r square. We are putting r equal to 1. We get the first equation. Or by
Trial
putting r
version.
equal to 5, we get the second equation. Simplify
Trial version.
and we get the two answers. There are two such circles.
Trial version. 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 Trial version.
Little time is left, so just the next sum. Just give it a
Trial
thought.
version.
Find the equations to the circles which touch the x-axis
Trial
at a
version.
distance of 4 units from the origin and cut off an intercept
Trial version.
of 6 units from the y-axis. It is touching the x-axis
Trial
and
version.
cutting the y-axis. It is touching the x-axis at a point 4 units
Trial version.
from the origin. It does not say anything about whether 4 units to the right of the origin
Trial
or 4
version.
units to the left of the origin. That is not mentioned, but it is touching the x-axis at
Trial
4
version.
units from the origin, and it cuts off an intercept of 6 units
Trial version.
from the y-axis.
Trial version.
Can you draw a diagram?
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
How many such circles are possible? Can you tell me?
Trial version.
4 circles.
4 circles.
Trial
Right.
version.
Exactly. These are those 4 circles.
Trial version.
See, they're touching the x-axis at a distance of 4
Trial
units
version.
from the origin, and they are cutting the y-axis,
Trial version.
and they're cutting off an intercept of 6 units from the y-axis.
Trial version.
I didn't
Trial
solve it.
version.
Can you find out the center and radius?
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
What is the abscissa of the center?
Trial version. Trial version.
4.
4.
Trial version.
And the ordinate we don't know.
Trial version.
Can you find out R?
Trial version. Trial version.
Can you see a right angle triangle that I
Trial version.
drew on the diagram? There
Yes.
is one right angle triangle. So what are the sides of the
version.
right angle triangle?
Trial version. Trial version.
Y-intercept is 6. So when
Yes.
you drop a perpendicular from the center
Trial version.
on the chord, it bisects the chord.
So center
That
will be
is why
4,3.
Trial version.
Center is at
4,3.
4,3. 4,3
version.
is wrong.
Trial version.
What is the
Trial
radius?
version.
4.
Trial version.
Radius is not 4. What you see in the diagram,
Trial version.
that is the length of the perpendicular from the center to a chord. That is not the
Trial
radius.
version.
It is 5.
Radius 5, very good. Radius 5. In fact, r
Trial
square is
version.
equal to 3 square plus 4 square. R square is equal to 3 square
Trial
plus 4
version.
square, so r is equal to 5. Now tell me, what are the coordinates of
Trial
the center?
version. Trial version. Trial version.
4,5.
4,
Trial
5.
version.
But that is only for one circle. That is only for the circle
Trial
in the
version.
first quadrant. For the second quadrant,
Trial version.
what is the center for the circle in the second quadrant?
Trial version.
Minus 4,5.
Minus 4, 5. Third quadrant, minus 4, minus
Trial
5.
version.
Fourth quadrant, 4, minus 5.
Trial version.
So, what will be the equations?
Trial version.
X plus minus 4 whole square
Trial version.
plus y plus minus 5 whole square is equal to r
Trial
square, that
version.
is 5 square. X plus minus 4 whole square plus y
Trial
plus
version.
minus 5 whole square is equal to 5 square.
Trial version.
That is the answer. Do it,
Trial
and
version.
now you are in a position to solve the problems from ML Agarwal first
Trial version.
exercise. Tell you which one.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
I think it is in volume 2.
Trial version.
Is circle in volume 2, right?
Yes,
Trial
sir.
version.
Yes, just a minute.
So I think after straight
Trial
lines.
version.
Of course, after straight lines. I'll tell you
Trial
exactly
version.
which exercises you have start solving.
Trial version. Trial version.
You may
Trial
solve
version.
all these questions on 12.1.
Trial version.
Solve 12.1.
Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.
Okay, so if you don't have any other queries
Trial
or any
version.
questions, then wind up with me next week.
Trial version. Trial
Bye.
version. Trial version. Trial version. Trial version.